Hello, everyone. Welcome to ISM6419 data visualization. My name is Justin Zhang, and I am the instructor for this class. In this short video, I'm going to go through the syllabus with you to look at the course expectations and the requirements. First of all, the textbook is the big book dashboards. This book is optional, but it's a very good book. You can get it from Amazon for about $24. So the book covers many real-world business applications. So you can see it has many chapters for different use cases in real-world scenarios. So the book is not on a particular programming language, but it's very useful reference if you want to work on some real-world dashboard design in the future. So as I mentioned, the book is optional, and there's also a list of additional resources if you want to look at, including some blogs and some specific websites we may use actually in several of our assignments, like the deardata.com and Makeover Monday websites. So we'll use some of this in our assignments. So this class is going to teach you the essential and practical skills in data visualization. So we do not focus on a particular programming language. So the software tool we're going to use is Tableau. So our focus is on some fundamental principles of data visualization, include computer graphics, visual data representation, physical human vision models, and the numeric representation of knowledge and concepts, animations, pattern analysis, etc. So our goal is, we hope you will be able to learn how to interpret data and how to present data with visual tools to achieve understanding and help manage the growing amount of available digital data in the business world. So here is a list of course objectives. And so they actually match what we are going to cover in this class. So including a brief history of data visualization and some key design principles and techniques for data visualization, fundamentals of communication and alignment required for effective data presentation, and some topics on how to use specific tools and to achieve competency in data visualization. In particular, we'll be using Tableau as the primary software tool. And finally, how to identify, understand, analyze, prepare, and present effective visualization on a variety of topics. So you'll be working on an individual project as well as a group project to help you to practice the principles of data visualization in this class. So in terms of course prerequisites, as long as you are comfortable with Microsoft Excel, you should be able to succeed in this class. So as I mentioned, the primary software tool is Tableau. So Tableau is very easy to use. I'm sure many of you have already used it. And if you haven't used Tableau before, you don't have to worry about it. It's very easy to use, and the interface is pretty similar to Microsoft Excel in some sense. So you just need to import data from a variety of sources and then work on the data visualization with the provided functionalities by Tableau. So again, in the first week, you need to download Tableau on your computer. So if you have used Tableau before and your license has expired, so you can actually request to renew your license. So they give students and the faculty annual license for free to use. So after 1 year, the license may expire, but you can always request to renew it. So make sure you download Tableau and request a license as soon as possible. So sometimes they may not be so quick to respond to give you a license. But I think you still have a 14-day trial period to get started. So in terms of the course format, so as this is an online class, I'm going to post short videos periodically to guide you through the course materials. And so we will talk about later on the specific requirements and the course deliverables. So essentially, we hope that by talking about some real-world examples in data visualization, you can actually understand how to apply some of the good practices in data visualization to solve some real-world problems. So as I mentioned already, the required software is Tableau. But if you are comfortable in using other programming languages or platforms, so feel free to use other like R, Python, or Power BI, etc. So actually, in one of this class I taught before, one of the students chose to use Power BI because he used it at work. And he finds it very easy to integrate their resources from different platforms. And he actually chose to use Power BI for the final project. So if you want to use R, Python, or whatever platform for assignments, for projects, feel free to do that. But please let me know before you do that. So some of the expectations for you in this semester include make sure you read the scheduled materials each week and participate in our class discussion and finish and make sure you complete the assignments by the due date and also participate in the group projects. As I mentioned, the textbook is optional. So if you can follow our schedule to go through all the required materials, I don't think the textbook is needed. So because all our PowerPoint slides and all the videos should cover everything. So in terms of the performance evaluation for this class, we have these 6 categories. We will have 6 discussion forums throughout the semester. So from this week, every 2 weeks, we will have a discussion forum. And then we have 6 individual assignments. And there's also a data camp learning track for you to complete, which is 10%. And we do have a final exam, which is a comprehensive exam, but it's going to be online on campus for you to complete in the last week of the semester. We also have 2 projects, one individual project and one final project. So the grading scale is like this: 95% above, you're going to get an A. So 90% to 94.9% will be A minus. So this is pretty much similar to all the grading scales I've been using in other classes. So we have exam projects, individual homework, and for all the items, So you can read through the syllabus, make sure that you understand our policies. So let's take a look at our tentative schedule and module contents. So right now we have 10 modules. The first module includes a brief introduction about the history of data visualization and the fundamentals of data visualization and its importance. So we plan to use 2 weeks. So the first 2 weeks, we'll focus on module 1. In the second week, we focus on some fundamental principles and related to data visualization, like the data quality. And we'll also see some examples to understand some good design and bad designs in data visualization. So in module 3, we will learn about different charts that we can use in data visualization. We expect to use 2 weeks. So in module 4, we focus on the use of color. Okay, in module 5, it's about typography and dashboard design. In module number 6, we focus on mapping. So map is an important tool. We want to use some maybe 1 or 2 weeks to study how to design good maps for data visualization. So in module 7, we focus on animation and motion infographics. So especially the animated features that we can incorporate in data visualization. So in module 8, the topic is infographics. In module 9, we focus on storytelling. So module 10 is just the final project. So here's a tentative schedule for the following 17 weeks. So we have an individual assignment every 2 weeks, and also the discussion is also every 2 weeks. So after that, the individual project will be due before Thanksgiving, and the final project will be due right before the finals week. So the final exam will be offered in the finals week. Okay, so that's basically the syllabus, and I hope you will like the topics we are going to cover in this class, and I look forward to working with you in this class. So please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, if you need any accommodations, and I hope you will all be successful in this class and learn as much as you can about data visualization.